Hello guys, today we have the Aula F75 Max mechanical keyboard. This is a collaboration with Aula and Epomaker. This is a 75% keyboard with gasket mounted, all in keys, south facing LEDs. That's what it looks like on the back. Bottom. Alright, let's open it. Okay, 75 Max. Okay, these are the functions: caps lock, Type C, USB receiver, 2-point. This thing has 3 modes: Bluetooth, Type C connection, and 2.4 gigahertz. You can connect in 3 different ways if you like. Alright, actually let's take these things out. Oh, it's made of full metal. It's kind of cool. Let's check this out first. It's additional accessories. You gotta take out the top part. Okay. Some extra switches. And a keycap puller, because this thing is hot swappable. Here's the charging cable. Sorry, this phone doesn't have ultra wide. That's pretty much everything in the box. Just close it back up. Let's get onto this boy. I'm gonna throw this thing away. Wow, look at that. And it has a little LCD display for your battery percentage and a GIF if you would like. This is the volume dial and for controlling the screen. Let's hear how this keyboard sounds. Holy smokes! Let's turn it on. Where's the on switch? Is there an on switch on this? Ooh. Sorry, this thing. I don't know how to turn it on, so I'll find out later. Just give me a second. All right, I figured it out. Just have to turn it on from these. I'll put it on the 2.4G. Ooh. Whoa, some nice RGB, huh? A little display. Configuration. Sorry. Here you go. And that's it. This is my little quick review. Sounds so good. This thing was 58 bucks on Amazon, so I guess it's good. Alright, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.